Okay, ladies, I'm going to try to do a tutorial on wristlet straps for you. And I'm going to try to do a video, but it'll have to be in short segments because I don't have fancy schmancy equipment like some people have for doing videos. So what you're going to start with is your fabric cut into strips, the appropriate length, width, wide, and length for what you're going to do. I'm using 1/2 inch wristlet hardware, so you're going to cut your fabric 4 times the width of what you want your strap width. So I want my strap width 1/2 inch, so I'm cutting my strips 2 inches wide, and I'm just doing a wristlet strap, so this is just short of 11 inches long. If you were doing something longer, then you would just cut it longer. And this was non-laminated fabric, so I just used some of this wonderful stuff that Manuela had suggested, the matte vinyl fuse, which works wonderfully for adding some stiffness to your non-laminated fabric. I know that Heat and Bond makes a similar product, but I haven't tried it. I've only tried the Pellon stuff, and it works wonderfully. Just hold your breath the first time you iron it, because it's scary. The first thing that I'm going to do will be to fold this in half and take a short seam on the 2 raw edges. I would probably use about 1/4 inch, just because I don't want to have too much bulk. Now, if you were not doing a wristlet strap, if you were doing a strap with a clasp at both ends, like a set piece strap, then you wouldn't fold it and do this seam. You would go on to the next step. But because I like to have as little bulk as possible whenever I'm sewing this to the clasp, I like to go ahead and seam it now. And it also does a nice job of hiding all those raw edges on the inside when we go to fold it in. So I'm going to go sew that, and then I will be back.